Many people use Draw.io in a web browser, but there is also a desktop version that works without opening your browser. In this video, you will learn how to download and install Draw.io on Windows. It's a powerful free tool for creating flowcharts, process diagrams, network diagrams, UML diagrams, mind maps, and more. So let's start by grabbing the installer. Go to your browser search box, type Draw.io and hit enter. On search results, click on the first one from drawio.com. This will take you to the official Draw.io website. Once you're there, look for Desktop App button and click on it. This will redirect you to the Draw.io GitHub repository, where you can download the desktop installer. There are different download options for different operating systems. If you are using Windows, click on First Windows Installer, and download will begin automatically and save to your computer. Once download's finished, head over to your Downloads folder and double-click on Installer to launch the setup. For the destination folder, default location is perfectly fine. Simply click Install. The installation process begins. Just wait until the process completes. And when installation is complete, click Finish. So to open Draw.io desktop, go to Windows search box and type Draw. Then open Draw.io from the search results. As you can see, Draw.io is now installed as a full application right on your computer. So that's how you can download and install Draw.io desktop on a Windows PC. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.